The old TWA terminal at JFK is an iconic building which has been refurbished into the TWA Hotel. This was known as the TWA Flight Center and designed by Eero Saarinen in 1957, with the initial construction of the building in 1962. In 2016, the hotel project started, and thus this beautiful hotel accommodation preserving the original building concept. Here you can see the original TWA signage, which is outside the hotel. The food court inside the hotel maintains a 1950s design concept. Check-in can be automated or in person, keeping the TWA vibe. This is one of the flight tubes that connected the building for passengers to walk through. The elevator with gold-coloured retro-style interior. The room was spacious, with runway views, and the main concourse had a shop, a bar, and a theme rooms for adults and children. I was surprised it was not that busy. Lots of room to sit down in the lounge area of the lobby. The hotel was full of vintage memorabilia from the 1950s and 60s. The upstairs lobby area had comfortable seating and an exhibit of the old cabin crew TWA uniforms. This was a nice touch. It was very interesting to see through the years how the uniforms had changed. Here is Connie in flight, the TWA Lockheed Constellation aircraft, which is now a cocktail bar parked outside the hotel building. The cocktail bar, known as Connie, has the aircraft name the Star of America. Access is through an original aircraft staircase. The menu had signature TWA cocktails and snacks. The inside seating in the cabin was a combination of old-style economy and first-class seats, with some lounge seating at the side. You can see there was not much difference between economy and first class seating, very different from today airline cabin interiors. The ambience was relaxed, very retro, and took you back to the glamour days of flying. Here is the cockpit interior, full of the original engineering and mechanics of the aircraft. Back in the hotel is the lounge area with the signature red and white colour schemes. I was lucky enough to fly TWA in the 1980s as a child, flying on the DC-10 from London to Boston. And in 1990 again, I flew business class, it was called ambassador class then, from Cairo back to New York. This happened before the company dissolved. It was an amazing experience. TWA was certainly an iconic airline, and so is this hotel. Well worth a visit and stay.